Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we are going to discuss informations regarding postponement of summer 2020 examination. Here in Exams Made Easy, friends, you can get all the informations regarding AMI, that is all the ongoing court case status, all the order copy we have discussed in detail in our channel. If you would like to watch those videos, if you would like to get those informations, the link is available in the description box. You can see here on the screen all the court case hearings we have made separately in different videos. If you watch those videos, you can get all the information regarding all the hearings and all the court cases. So friends, now we are going to discuss about the postponement news of Institution of Engineers, that what Institution of Engineers published, what they say. So friends, this is the copy that has been published by Institution of Engineers India, as you can see here on the screen. It is regarding rescheduling of summer 2020 examination. So what is said, friends? It is said that in the light of COVID-19 pandemic and the instruction and guideline issued by the Government of India, the section A and B examination of the Institution of Engineers India scheduled to be held from 6 June till 12 June 2020 stand postponed. So moreover, it is also said that fresh dates and detail regarding the summer 2020 examination will be initiated in due course. So friends, in the meanwhile, I would like to inform you that UGC published their notification regarding college and university exams, and it is said in the order copy of UGC that from 1st July 2020 examination of college and universities will be conducted. So friends, let's see that order copy in detail. Friends, this is the order copy by UGC. UGC published this order copy. This is of 29th April 2020. UGC guideline regarding college and university examinations. If you look at this order copy carefully, friends, if you look at the 2020 January session of university and colleges, it is clearly mentioned that summer vacation will be declared from 16th June 2020 and it will continue till 13th June 2020. That means all the universities, all the colleges will remain closed till 30th June 2020. And friends, regarding conduct of examination, terminal semester will be conducted from 1st July 2020 to 15th July 2020, and about the intermediate and semesters will be conducted from 16th July 2020 to 31st July 2020. So that means since all the universities, all the colleges will remain closed till 30th June 2020, you cannot expect that your exam will be conducted within this time. So that means probability of conduct of the exam is 1st July 2020. So friends, please follow our channel. We'll let you know all the informations, and you can get all the informations regarding Honorable Delhi High Court case status regarding AMI. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.